Giga casting machines are expensive and they take a long time to make. The tools that go in the machine are also expensive and take a long time to make. So if you're an engineer and you're working in a body structures environment within an OEM and you have a design as part of the vehicle architecture strategy and you need to support your pre-production builds and do functional validation at a component level or a system level, is it feasible to spend 10, 20, $30 million on a Giga casting machine to go and prove a concept? I don't think it is. So what we can achieve in sand casting is allow our customers for a fraction of the price and lead time to see into the future, to have as close to production representative parts as we can deliver, and take those and do the component level, do the system level, do the vehicle level testing to validate the designers, to validate the concept, to validate the product, which then gives the data and the confidence to be able to make the decisions to make these multi-million-dollar commitments to move into the high volume production Giga casting machines or Giga casting dies or whatever may be needed to take it forward.